Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. To my new viewers, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for joining us. Today's recipe is the world well-known chili con carne in a whole lots of portion. So stay tuned guys, enjoy watching. Ingredient for today has been prepped. I have a diced onion, red kidney beans, I have a beef minced meat, and then I have a diced canned tomato. I have sweet corn, bell pepper in different colors, and then I also have a raps oil. You mustn't go for raps oil, you can also go for olive oil. I also have my fresh chilies and then garlic cloves. All the ingredients will be listed out in the description box. Please check it out. To my ingredients here, I'm still going to be adding a tomato paste and of course the spices. I am making this large quantity for my husband group of friends who needed something very fast to dish and delicious. So we are going to start by introducing our oil in a preheated pot. We got two options. It's either you introduce then your mixed meat and then brown it very well until you have this roast flavor on your meat before introducing your onion. But this time around I'm going to do it the other way around by introducing my onion first to sweat it. If not, if I want to do the meat first, I will not achieve my goal, the brown flavor, because of the quantity I am making and my heat is too low for that. So I just sweated my onion and then introduced my garlic, sweat together. And also right now I just introduce my minced meat. Continue to brown your meat on a high heat without letting it get burnt, and then generously separate it until there is no liquid left in here. After I have browned and generously separated my meat, my mixed meat, this is what it looks like. There is no clumps here. Like, I really don't like to have clumps in my chili. It's all well separated and looks good. I'm not going to continue to brown this because it's not bringing anything, it's not browning anything. The more I do this, the more it produces its own juice. Like I said earlier, the heat is too low. I don't have enough heat to carry this quantity. So I am going to introduce my tomato, which I have added my tomato paste. Also I have added it to it, and yeah, I'm going to give it a mix and let it cook for some time. While my sauce is being cooked, I am going to cut off my chili and then get rid of the seeds. There is no chili con carne without chili. It has to be a little bit spicy. There should be this, while eating it, you know, this noise of, oh my god, it's spicy. But still, I'm going to mind how much chili I am going to spice my meal with today, because they are not good with too much chili. They are not used to it. So, but please do not do this without putting on your hand glove if you are not good with chili. So always put on your hand glove while you deal with your chili. At this point, I am going to introduce my fresh and chopped chili and then generously season with salt and grounded caraway. It's your test to see how much spices you still need. So I am still going to introduce some chili powder and any liquid of your choice, like beef broth or vegetable broth. I have none of these, so I am going to add in my plain water and then check out how the texture of my sauce looks like. This is just fine for me. I wouldn't want it to go too thick or too liquid, so it's just fine for me like this. I just added my cinnamon stick and then let it cook for about 45 to 50 minutes. It's been 50 minutes, guys. It's time to introduce my red kidney beans and then my sweet corn. Generously stir this and still let cook for 20 minutes. Twenty minutes is past, guys. It's almost ready to go. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna introduce my bell pepper at this point. Bell pepper, I just need 10 minutes to cook it and it will be ready. Meanwhile, the meal will be consumed by tomorrow. By then it must have released all the flavor in my meal. I want to say thank you so much to my return subscribers. I'm going to take off the cinnamon stick at this point, and also if you are new viewers, thank you so much for joining us. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I've cooked this for about 1 hour 30 minutes is the cooking time. Thank you so much. I'm going to serve a portion of it to enjoy. I just garnish with some parsley and then some sour cream and fresh chili. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much to you all. Don't forget to like and leave your comment down below. Bye for now.